fraction. Fraction is a number which can be represented as a part of whole. The mathematical definition of fraction is it is in the form of a by b and b is not equal to 0. Here a comma b are whole numbers. Okay? A fraction can be written in the form of a by b. B is not equal to 0. Here a comma b are belongs to whole numbers. Okay? Types of fractions. Types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. A proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator is called as a proper fraction. First one is proper fraction. Proper fractions. Numerator is less than the denominator is called as a proper fraction. For example, 1 by 2 or it is 3 by 4, 5 by 7 and so on. The value of the proper fraction is always less than 1. For example, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the value is 0.5. That's why the value of the proper fraction is always less than 1. Next one is improper fraction. Improper fractions. Improper fraction, the fraction can be written in the form of the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Okay. Now, for example, 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, 7 by 4. These are examples of improper fraction. Improper fraction, the value of the improper fraction is always greater than or equal to 1. Next one is mixed fraction. The mixed fraction means the combination of whole number and proper fraction is called as mixed fraction. It can be written as a b by c. Here a is called as a whole number part and b by c can be written in the proper fraction. Okay. Now these two combination is called as a mixed fraction. For example, 5 2 by 3. Okay. This is the example of mixed fraction. Every mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction and vice versa. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent, a fraction can be obtained multiply or dividing with the same number with the non-zero, multiply and dividing with the numerator and denominator with the same non-zero number, then it is called equivalent fraction. Okay. For example, write the first 3 equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. Okay. Now, if you write 1 by 2, write the equivalent fractions of first 3 equivalent fractions. Okay. Any non-zero number multiply and dividing with the numerator and denominator. Okay. Same number. Now you have to see here 1 by 2 multiply and dividing with the same non-zero number. Now here 1 by 2 into 4 by 4. Now multiply 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. That's why 1 by 2, first 3 equivalent fractions is 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Now here there are infinity equivalent fractions is there in any fraction. Okay, that's why here it is the first 3 equivalent fractions is these 3 the first 3 equivalent fractions. Okay, next one is like fractions. Like fractions. Like a fraction have numerator or denominators are same means like fractions. Okay, for examples, 2 by 7, 5 by 7, next 6 by 7, 8 by 7. Observe here all denominators are same means it is like fractions. Different numerators. Okay. Next, unlike fractions. unlike fractions. For example, unlike fractions means a fraction have different denominators is called as unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 5, 7 by 8, 9 by 10, 11 by 50. Observe here, denominators are different, then it is called as unlike fractions. Sum of two fractions. Sum of two fractions. Okay? The two fractions must be here. There are two cases. One is like fractions, one is unlike fractions. First case one, the two fractions is like fractions means. For example, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Observe the first these two fractions denominators are same. That's why it is like fractions. Like fractions means denominators are same. That's why the result of the denominator is also same. Directly add the numerators. 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. Okay, it is like fractions. Second case, the two fractions must be unlike fractions means, for example, 2 by 5 plus 4 by 50. Okay, observe these denominators 5, 50. It is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means first we have to follow one rule. Unlike fractions first convert into equivalent like fractions. Okay, how to find out the unlike fractions convert into equivalent like fractions based on LCM. Okay, that's why do the LCM of 5 and 50. 5 and 50 LCM. Now 5 table, 5 ones are, 5 threes are, again 3 table, 3 ones are, 3 ones are. Now LCM of 5 and 50 is equal to 5 into 3, that is equal to 50. Okay, therefore the LCM is equal to 50. Now here write down the LCM is in the denominator 50. Here numerator is 2 into, in 5 how many times divides with 50? 5 how many times divides 3 times plus 4 into 15 how many times divides with 50? 1 by 2 3s are 6 plus 4 1s are 4 by 50. 6 plus 4 10 by 50. Okay, the simplest form is 5 times 5 2s are 5 3s are, that is equal to 2 by 3 is the result. Okay, next one is this is the unlike fractions is how to do the unlike fractions sum. Now one more shortcut method also there. Okay, for example 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Okay, this is also unlike fractions. One shortcut method. Now multiply with cross multiply. Okay, now nothing but this is the butterfly method. Okay, now multiply 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9. Okay, these two denominators multiply. Okay, now write down here 3 4s are 12. Now 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is, it is 17 by 12. Now this is one of the shortcut method, butterfly method. Butterfly method. Okay. Same how to follow. Okay. Now subtraction is also same follow these rules. Next one is multiplications. Multiplications of fractions. Okay. Here also there are two cases. Okay. First case is, for example, multiply with whole number and fraction. Now here A is a whole number and multiply with fraction. B by C is a one fraction. Multiply with whole number and fraction. Here every whole number is also fraction. Why? Because if you write like this by 1, it is also fraction. That's why multiply with whole number and fraction. Multiply the numerators, product of numerators by product of denominators. A into B is equal to AB by 1 into C. This is the product of whole numbers into fraction. Now second case, A by B into C by B. Product of two fractions, multiply the fraction into fraction. Product Product of numerators into denominators. Product of the denominators. Product of the numerators is a into c, ac, by denominators. Product of denominators b into d, b. These two cases we have to follow. It is easy to do multiplications. Next one is divisions. Divisions of fractions. Before divisions, I'll tell one important point. What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal means nothing but a fraction interchange the fraction. That means numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. The reciprocal. Okay? Reciprocal of a by b. Reciprocal of a means a fraction it is interchange the fraction. Interchange the fraction means denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. The reciprocal of a by b is b by a. Okay. Now reciprocal of a is reciprocal of a. A is nothing but whole number. If you keep like this, write 1. Every whole number is also fraction. The interchange means is 1 by a. Okay. Now reciprocal of 5 by 9. 5 by 9 reciprocal, interchange the fraction. That is equal to 9 by 5. Reciprocal of 7. 7 is a whole number. That's why if we write like this by 1, that is interchange the fraction. That is equal to 1 by 7. Okay. This is one of the important point. If we know this word reciprocal, it is easy to do the divisions. Okay. Next one is divisions of the fractions. Here also there are 3 cases is there. The first case is okay, divides a by b by c. Okay, here a is in numerator. That means it is a whole number. In b by c is a one fraction. Okay, divides whole number, divides fraction. Okay, how to do whole number divides fraction? Here this denominator fraction is there, means it is always reciprocal. Reciprocal means interchange the fraction. Okay, now here a into this b by c is there, reciprocal is what? C by b. Okay, now here multiply a into c, ac by bc. Product of the numerators by product of the denominator. This is the first case. Now if you take a by b by c, that means numerator is a whole number, numerator is a fraction, denominator is a whole number. Okay, now observe here denominator is a whole number, not a fraction. That's why every whole number it can be written as the fraction, that is by 1. Okay, that's why this fraction can be interchange, reciprocal. That means here a by b into 1 by c, that is equal to a into 1a by b into c, bc. This is the second case. Next case, numerator also fraction, in denominator also fraction. Here numerator also fraction, denominator also fraction. Both the numerator and denominators are fractions means denominator is fraction means it is always reciprocal. Now here is a by b into this is c by d fraction. This is a fraction is reciprocal means interchange the values that is equal to b by c. Now product of the numerators by product of the denominators, a into d, a by b into c, b c. Okay. Now we have to follow these three cases. It is easy to do the divisions. Thank you.